Hello, welcome back everyone. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use Namecheap website for purchasing your domain in a cheap price with the web hosting. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to open Namecheap website for buying web hosting or domain, whatever you want to purchase from here. So this website provides the web hosting and domain in very cheap price. So I'm going to just open this website and I will show you step by step guide how you can purchase any of the domains you want in very cheap price. Let's suppose we search for PX design. Let's see if there is a good price for this one. As you can see, you can get domain hosting, WordPress hosting, email, business email. You can also do migration of your email. You can also get marketing tools. You also get SSL certificates, domain privacy, website security, fixed hack website. Each and everything you will get from this website, and in a very cheap price. Okay, so these are the premium ones. So let's go for the domains from the down below. As you can see that the premium ones are $370 and it's like 1,450. It's too much, but when you come down and you will see this 78% off for the pxdesign.design, $10, pxdesign.2 for the $30 roundabout, and for the pxdesign.net, which is about $13 per year, and it's very cheap. You can see that. So if let's suppose we want to go with this one, pxdesign.org, it's like $7.50. So let's try this one, add to cart. So when you click on the add to cart, you will see these details. You can also get the free trial and this and that, everything in the same package. And if you want to add, you can also add. So you can see here view item, and you can also do a checkout. So you are going to get 1 year registration. Okay, so simply click on the checkout and it will take you to the checkout where you can put your bank details so that you can purchase this domain. Okay, so after checking on these all the details, okay, you can simply click on this confirm order, and then you have to create an account over this website, and then you will attach your bank account or credit card, and you finalize the payment, and in this way you will get your domain or web hosting in a cheap price. I hope you like the video. We'll catch you later in the next video. Thanks for watching.